This is a lecture about character and action for Theater 191. I'm Dr. Christiana Moldrum-Harkelich. Character is one of Aristotle's elements of theater, and last week we discussed the world of the play. This week we will discuss the characters that inhabit that world. The work of theater is to understand the world and people of the play script, and then to enact them on stage. And so character is more than just the words that they say and the ideas that we have when we're reading the words. Character is action, and it goes beyond simply the roles of protagonist and antagonist, which are more a function of the plot, to even more detailed ideas of who is on stage and what they're doing. Aristotle says character equals action, and action equals character. It is not just what the character says, but what they do, how they say what they say. All of those things together creates the character. There's no internal dialogue that we get to know on stage. It is only what a character does that tells us who they are, which is unlike any other form of fiction, because in a play we get to know the character entirely by what they say and how they say it and what they do. In William Shakespeare's Hamlet, which we will read in Module 4, the character Hamlet says to the actors on stage, "Suit the action to the word to the action." So what a character says and how they say it tells you a lot about who they are, because part of that will be the actor interpreting it, and part of it is what the playwright has written into the script for the actor to interpret, because all of these are words that are meant to be enacted. Which also makes it different from just reading a script or just watching a script. It's that moment of going from page to stage, that interpretation, that really creates character.